Hey guys, it's BTC Pets and again with some scammer reveals. We're going to be targeting a developing company now. As you know, we have been going through a lot of problems. And one of the things that we have gone through is that we have lost over 40,000 to Joshua and Sara Solidity from HazeCrypto. They are scammers who are not delivering what I paid for, who have taken around $40,000 of me, I think a little bit more, and who has then even sabotaged my site while they was building it. And when I was trying to change my smart contract, they wanted me to pay another $6,000. And they was bribing me for my website. I've been going through a lot of problems. We've been going through a lot of development. I have learned to do development myself. I've built multiple projects, but we're going to be talking about these bad people. You can see that their general manager, their lead moderator, Ram, their CEO, Sara Solidity, and their management, because it was first of HazeCrypto. He is like the Flying Dutchman. You can click on Flying Dutch, Haze013. You can see here, I can say like open the desktop. Hey, you are on my YouTube. Anything to say? But I think I'm blocked everywhere. And let's just make sure that they have an idea. Hey, you are live in my scam review video about HazeCrypto. Anything to say? And of course, we are not the most difficult person. We're not going to give one person a chance and the other one not. And then I'm going to be doing like this. And I know that I haven't spoken to this guy before. So I think that it might be all just fake names and numbers on the website. The lead moderator. Well, as you can see, there are nobody that is even receiving the messages. Well, it seems he's been with them for a while. So yeah, I can talk a little bit more about how they scammed us. So you can see that we have multiple things how they scammed us. One of the things is that I have paid $1,000 for an audit. I have the audit somewhere on my computer. HazeCrypto, Haze security, abundance, DeFi. You can see here like their audit version. I paid $1,000 for this, and also was checking everything and what's happening. They have scammed me because I did not want to pay that $6,000. They have also removed my audit from the website. Okay, they're a little bit children, so we accept it, but there's a lot more going on. There is multiple things going on that they have done that I cannot accept. One of them, and I'm going to make the screen small now, and I also have the pictures and I also have the proof. You can also have my community because they was also attacking my community. Let me 1 second go there. Kijk, I also say it in the community of mine, and I got it on the pictures, but the one thing that is there is they have quickly removed everything, and they was like, I will take away the proof. I got a bunch of screenshots, but I have to go look for them, you know. It is definitely a lot of shit that they went through. And Joshua HazeCrypto, you see they remove all the messages. But okay, wait 1 second. Aha, they don't know this one. Haze013. Oh, Hose. Haze013. I'm going to be trying it again, guys. And of course, like I said, this is just the first video. They have done many things, and what I'm saying, I can also show. I had paid for my ecosystem. Let me make the screen smaller. First, I'm going to be making a background story. I am building a platform where everybody can earn and learn and without getting scammed. It's going to be transparent. It's going to be lasting a lifetime. And you can see it here. This is my token. This is my name, PTC Pet. And here you can see crypto is my life. Oh, wait 1 second, guys. I'm going to put off that screen because it's clear now they are scammers. But let me just take you to the story. You can see here, crypto is my life and I'm a warrior. This is why I'm not accepting this. You can see it here. I have broken free from the chains of poverty. I've slept outside on the streets for many years, but I have fought like a fucking lion. And this is where I am today with my crypto. They have taken 40,000 from me. They have attacked my community. They have said, ha ha ha, you are going down. You will lose all the money of your community. They have attacked me personally. They have built in scam code in Abundance DeFi. I have asked for an ecosystem. I was supposed to get a forum. I was supposed to get this. I was supposed to get that. You can see on my YouTube the years of problems I have because of them. They have not delivered on anything that I've ordered. They have given me like a standard basic WordPress website that is shit with errors in the coding. I paid 40,000. I was supposed to get my things out there and they took, I don't know, they had like, I think 40 errors. It took weeks before the website was working. They had months of delay and continuously were telling me, it's going to be finished tomorrow. Tell your community, it's going to be finished tomorrow. It's going to be finished Saturday. Tell your community, Saturday we're going to be starting. And it took months. They destroyed my reputation. They destroyed my good name. They stolen my money and they made fun of me. And I only was trying to build something nice. And it's very frustrating. Like I said, I have to look for all the files and everything. But this is like my first video. That's to make sure that they know I've been saying for over a year, make it right with me, make it right with me. And when I had fixed everything myself, they had put a booby trap on my website so that everything was stopped it working. It's not how I expect. Sara, Solidity, you are the scammer. The only good guy that I found out in your team is your graphic guy, David, or so, I think. I forgot his name. But yeah, this is something that I wanted to report. There's going to be a lot more coming online, but I'm just making sure that everybody's going to be staying safe for now. I've been uploading a lot of scam videos lately because in the last 2 years, these people have made me lose over $250,000. So I can say, Sara, I promise you, you have just blocked me a long time ago. And I told you, I will not accept. This is me not accepting. And for those that are wondering, who is this crazy guy and is he serious and this and that? You can see that this is a project. This is my old mentor. This is a project I have 32 notes of worth $5,000 a piece. I have invested tens of thousands in the pre-sale, tens of thousands also in the other sales. And you know what I'm doing? I'm saying here, ik zeg, they stole my funds. Ik zeg, I have this. Ik zeg, they are a scammer. Here a scammer. I have the proof. And I can also say one more thing, Sara Solidity. You were a developer that took months to build things, and I am building this all in 1 day. I am not a developer. I am now a developer, but I had to be because you took all my money and you sabotaged my website, and I have to learn how to build everything myself because I was bankrupt. Thank you, Sara Solidity. Thank you, all the other scamming people. But guys, I want to say one thing. I have that warrior mentality. So you can see that even though my traders lost money, everybody scammed me. You know what I'm doing? I'm here refunding my people. And you can see here, scammers, leaders, I expose everybody. I'm refunding my people, showing how it is supposed to be. Honesty, transparency, and constant, how's it? Not sustainability, but keeping it constant. Don't change the way you are and don't change the way you supposed to be or say you are. A lot more information coming. And oh yeah, one of the things that I was also going to show you, that's the things that I have been saying and that they have hired me for my company, Trustpilot, and they're going to go HazeCrypto. And you can also see, like, I was telling my community, hey guys, they have helped us. Let's help them. They have some bad reviews. En kijk, bam. Paid an awful lot of money, not got delivered. Do not do business with these scammers. And most of the audited projects are scam. And kijk, I told them abundance is very good, but they have, kijk, all the projects drained. They are very bad people. I'm also going to be giving another review. I am now uploading a video about them. They have stolen 40,000 from me. And it is stolen because 40,000 plus from me. From me. Hashtag BTC pet. They have stolen thousands from my community. They must be stopped in their scamming ways. Date of the experience. Well, I think I tried to solve it in the beginning of this year. No, in the end of the last year. So let's say that I think it's going to be like, I think December. So let's make it 27 December, guys. And then, let's make it 10 December. Let HazeCrypto know about your review. Continue as BTC pet. Continue as BTC pet. Your review is on the way. Okay, guys, like I said, I'm not playing around. They really hurt me. They really hurt my people. They was attacking my community. They stolen my audits. I paid for a source code. I don't even know what it's stupid. A source code for the blockchain. Everything is verified on the blockchain. Go away. But yeah, this is a little bit of what is to come. I have things about HazeCrypto documented on other laptops. I am going to be making sure that it's going to be shown. It's going to be having, yeah, how you say it? Facts, and not just me talking. It's gonna have facts. It's going to be showing. I made some pics, but I just had to get this off my chest. Much more to come, guys, and let's keep the fire burning. I have one thing to say. Some people are thinking that I am on a warpath and that I am crazy and I am destroying my own portfolio holdings together with those of other people. And I can tell you from the depths of my soul, I am not crazy. I am fighting for justice. I am losing just as much money as you, maybe even more. But I will make sure that nobody in the future will lose money. So you can see yourself as a pioneer for honesty. I'm also losing. I'm offering everybody that loses because of me, what I'm posting here, losing in a project, I'm offering them to find a way to solve it with me. I am always making things right with everybody. I am a man. I love to say that all those people that are acting out there like they're tough, like a Sara Solidity, like a Martin, and like a M-Pro team who's all acting tough, like they are tigers, they are a bunch of pussies. And now they have messed with the lion, and now they are all hiding. This is not how it's supposed to be. If you say A, you're going to be doing B. If you say B, you're going to do C. You cannot run away and hide after you say A, B, C, D. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Now you have activated me. I've been asking nicely, make it right with me for over a year. I have no more choice. I'm a very friendly guy, but I am forced to do this. Have a nice day.